Good morning, student. So in the last class we are discussed about the Gauss theorem and its applications. Now today we will study about the electric potential. Now what is meant by the electric potential? The amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point against the electric field. It means that suppose you are taking a charge, around that charge a field is there called as electric field, and you are taken another charge from how much distance? At infinity, at any point you are bringing that charge towards that charge already we known. So what happened? The work has to be done. Okay, so that amount of work done must be known as the electric potential. If Q is charge and W is work done in bringing that charge, then the potential V denoted by V is given by V is equal to W divided by Q. Okay, now the SI unit of electric potential is volt. Okay, so when you say the electric potential is 1 volt, the 1 coulomb, 1 joule work has to be done to bring a 1 coulomb charge, that is 1 volt is equal to 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb. Now electric potential difference means what? Suppose you are taken the 2 points, a charge must be moving from the infinity and it move towards a charge that is Q. A charge must be at a point A and the another charge must be bringing from the point B. So at point B the potential is given by VB, at point A the potential is given by VA. Now what happened about the VB minus VA? So we have known here. So it is defined as the amount of work done in moving a positive charge from one point to other against the field. Suppose already you are taken a charge, around that charge the field is there. Suppose you are taken another charge from the infinity. Now that charge from the infinity to bring towards that electric field. So then the work has to be done. It is called as a potential difference or electric potential difference. Now the test charge Q moved through a distance dl. E is the electric field, then the force must be experienced around that charge. It is given by F is equal to Q into E. Now then work done is equal to, you know that the formula, dW is equal to force into distance. So force must be, it is F, that is electrostatic force, and dl is distance. The force into distance is equal to work done. Then you know that about F is equal to what? Q into E. Therefore the work done is equal to QE into dl. So then the total work done in moving a charge from A to B. The charge we are moving from point the A towards the B. Then the taking integration about that equation, so we got the total work done, that is integration of dW is equal to integration from A to B minus Q E into dl. So minus Q is the charge you are taken outside of the integration, then integration of d omega is equal to what? Integration of dW is equal to what? W, that is total work done is equal to minus Q integration from A to B E into dl. So now the potential difference VB minus VA is equal to by the definition is work done divided by the charge. So how much work has to be done here? W A to B divided by Q, that is charge. The potential difference between A and B is given by VB minus VA is equal to minus of integration from A to B E into dl. So this is the electric potential difference. Now we come to know electric potential as line integral of electric field. You observe that figure. So the three lines must be we are taken, they are parallel to each other and having the same distance, that is electric field. And you are taken the 2 point A and B, and you are taking a test charge, that is Q naught. Okay, so here E is a uniform electric field plus Q naught is a test charge at A. Electric field exert a force Q naught into E. Already we know that in the previous slide on it. If we move towards B, the force is minus Q naught into E. Opposite side it is. Okay, so now work done to move charge plus Q naught along AB through a small displacement dl, then dw is equal to minus Q naught E into dl. Similarly, we find out the total work done in moving a charge from A to B, that is WAB is equal to integration from A to B minus Q naught E into dl. So WAB is equal to increase in potential energy. So then we know that integration from A to B minus Q naught E into dl is equal to Q naught VB minus Q naught VA. You are taken VA, that one. So common you are taken common factor as Q, then integration from A to B minus E into dl is equal to VB minus VA, or VA minus VB is equal to minus of integration A to B E into dl. So this is the expression for the electric potential at the line integral. Thank you.